Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add additional password on Telegram. So if you want to add an additional password to your Telegram account just to safeguard your account from being compromised, here's a simple guide on how you can get it done. So the first thing you have to do is to navigate to Telegram, then open it. Once you have it open, then tap on the gear button at the down side of the screen, which is the settings icon. Tap on the settings, then this will take you down to your Telegram. Then from there, scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Then from there, on the top option, which is two-step verification, tap on it. Then you can see the option to add additional password. So you can set a password that will help you that will be required when you log in on a new device, in additional to the code you get via the SMS. So it's just like a way of adding additional protection to your protection that you already have on Telegram, just to safeguard your account. So to do that, you just have to set a additional password. So just tap on it. Yeah, from there you have to input your current password, which is your Telegram password, or if you don't remember, just have to or in fact you definitely have. So once you put your password, then re-enter the password, then create a password. And that's a simple step-by-step guide on how to add an additional protection or additional password on Telegram. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.